See, there's a ridge here on both sides where the rack should sit, but because it's too small, it won't sit flat. It sits at an angle. Can't get it to sit up on the racks. It falls in.
I absolutely love these dishes. This one's pretty cool. And you can make cakes, muffins, and put your pizza. You can bake some bread. And then it has two different size ones. This one's pretty thin. And then this one is a little bit deeper. And as you can see, I've really used these because I love them.